Hello, welcome to my tutorial on how to create a quiz on Kahoot. So for teachers, we go to getkahoot.com, and for students, you go to kahoot.it. So first we're going to create an account and sign up for free. I made one earlier, so now I'm just going to log in. Okay, so to make a quiz on Kahoot, you go to Create, and press Kahoot, and then you have the option to do PDF to Kahoot, Kahoot Generator. I'm going to show you how to make a quiz on blank Canva. Okay, to start off, we're going to pick a theme. You have the option to make it spring, summer, autumn, winter. I'm just going to keep mine standard. And then we're going to enter our title on top. Mine, ecosystem quiz. And then if you want, you can add a description for your Kahoot. And then you have the option to make it private or public. I'm going to make mine public. And then you can also add a cover image to make your Kahoot stand out. So I'm gonna add one from one of the files that I have saved. Use this picture. Okay. And then once you're done, click done. Okay, so now we're just gonna get started on a question. So I'm gonna start with what is an ecosystem? Okay, and then we're gonna upload a file with media. Okay, and then when you're done, you can get started on the answers. Alright, so now that you've typed all your possible answers, you're just going to check the right answer, which is this one. And then to your right, you can see that you have the option to make different types of questions. I'm going to do mine this type. And then you can also change the time limit from 5 seconds to 4 minutes. I'm going to put 30 seconds. And then you also have the option to change the point system from double points, standard, no points, so you make it standard. And then you can have the option to make it single select or multi-select. Alright, and then once you're satisfied with that, you just move on to your next question, or you can save it from here. Okay, and when you're done with all the questions, typing all the answers, you can click Save. And it tells me that one of the answers are too long, so we'll just edit that. We'll just erase this part. Okay, and save. And then we have the option to preview it, also live, share, and I'm just going to click preview to see how it's going to look like. Alright, and once you launch the quiz, it's going to give you this pin, and your students will enter this pin in kahoot.it. And once they enter the pin, it will ask for a nickname. And then once everyone is on this page, you can click start and it will start the quiz. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.